Hey everyone, so now we're at a stage in our townhouse where we're just applying the plaster material on all of the walls inside the rooms. We have our steel rims for the corners placed. So the purpose of this is that it prevents chips on the corners and the edges of your wall, right? So that's the intent. Otherwise, if you have, any sort of luggage or anything for that matter, the corner of your bed frame, if you're moving it or whatever, or even your chair over time, the corners start to chip. This is very common. I've seen this happens a lot. So this is like high quality stuff right here. This tells you, that this is a high quality residence, and this kind of, these kind of inner workings sort of prevent your normal wear and tear by by a big degree. So that's one of the advantages of having these steel meshes at the edge over here, right? And these blocks that you see here are basically your place marks for the plaster. So the plaster thickness has to be adjacent to this block here. Basically, this is your thickness essentially. This should be the plaster thickness when you do apply the plaster. Check out this makeshift shovel over here. So I think what they did is that they basically had this little stick, and then they used a pipe, and they basically opened up the pipe and they flattened it out, and then they just put nails on it. They put nails on the end over there, so that makes they did the same thing over here. That's so funny. It's so funny. It's it's very interesting how they kind of just makeshift stuff. Okay, I'll show you something else. So that's the area that's just been plastered out, or plastered in, or plastered. So that there has been plastered, and now they're just kind of pouring water for, I believe it's the curing process, if I'm not wrong. It helps the particles clump together better, and it makes for a stronger sort of adhesive of sorts to cling to the wall and give it strength. Anyways, like, share, comment, subscribe.